Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for watching my channel as usual and subscribing. Today I'm going to do a three-part video. Three-part video about some LEDs I've installed. I've had this in the Taco for several months, so I know these are working great, and now I want to talk about it. So part one is going to be about the brake lights. Part two is going to be about the parking lights. Part 3 is going to be about the map lights. So stay tuned for all three parts and let me know what you think. LEDs for the brake lights. I'm going to be installing it in the tail light to see if there's any issues with it. So far with my other lights, I'm having great performance. Super bright reverse lights, super bright front turn signals. First thing you gotta do is remove two 10mm bolts to get access to this tail light. Always be careful with plastic, especially these tail lights. You can easily damage them. So this is the brake light here, and this is the turn signal. Carefully put these back without trying to break anything. As you can see in the end, if you look hard, that's the LED and that's the regular halogen. So there's a brightness difference here, even running as a parking light. I wanted to run an LED up here, but the LED they gave me is causing hyperflash only when the headlights are on. If I'm driving during the daytime, this will actually work without hyperflashing the turn signals. But as soon as the headlights turn on, you get that hyperflash. So they're going to be having another product I'll be testing, hopefully, so I could avoid that hyperflash. Thanks again. Please stay tuned for part 2, parking lights.
Another one.